This is the Leo's Loo 2. It's a brand new automatic self-cleaning litter box from SmartyPair that makes scooping a thing of the past. You may recall a few months ago, I shared with you guys an unboxing and my first impressions of the Leo's Loo 2, and at that time, my little munchkin here had yet to even use this litter box, so I didn't even know what to expect out of it. Fast forward 3 months later to today, and the Leo's Loo 2 is her main litter box that she uses on the daily, and I have to tell you guys, if you own a cat, this thing is going to change your life. The switch over to the Loo 2 was pretty seamless. As soon as I took away her other litter box, she hopped right into the Loo and started using it. That put a big smile on my face. Changes like this are always a bit risky in a way because you never know how your pet is going to react or what they're going to do. Will they use it? Will they not? You know, you never know. It sometimes can be a toss-up. So I genuinely got super excited the first time I saw her in there. It's the little things, my friends. It is the little things. This is her golden throne that she earned, you know? She deserves it. As far as specs go, the Leo's Loo 2 is one high-tech litter box. It features an automatic litter shifting process so your cat always has fresh litter. There's triple layer protection to keep your cat safe with a radar system around the outside of the Loo and a number of safety sensors inside the Loo. There's a large waste straw that holds up to a week's worth of Loo and locks in odor. There's UV sterilization that removes up to 99.9% of viruses and bacteria in that draw, and there's support for Google and Alexa voice controls. There's also a smartphone app that allows you to control the Loo 2, set schedules, and monitor when your cat uses the litter box. When I say this is a high-tech litter box, I mean it. This thing delivers. SmartyPair recommends using only clay clumping litter in here for best results, so I use the BoxyCat Pro litter. It does a really good job clumping and containing odor. Despite the Leo's Loo 2 being a, litter box, it actually looks quite nice, which is another bonus. It's sleek, modern, and will look good in pretty much any setting. Alongside the green color that I have here, it's also available in gray, pink, and blue. Another thing that surprised me is how quiet this thing is. It's not one bit loud at all. Have a listen. When it comes to cleaning the Leo's Loo 2, the process is fairly straightforward. The litter box features a modular design and the whole thing is only about 4 pieces. I've given this litter box a nice deep clean twice already since I got it, and each time it gets a bit easier. SmartyPair recommends changing the litter and the carbon filters out every month, but I like to go the extra mile and wipe it down thoroughly with Lysol wipes just because you never know. I wipe down the drawer, replace the filters and the liner bag, toss in an air freshener, wipe down the bottom half, empty the drum of old litter into a garbage bag, toss that out, wipe down the drum, let them air out outside for a bit, and then put the Loo 2 back together. The whole process seems like it takes forever, but it only takes me about half an hour or so every month. It's not that bad at all. You would be spending much more time scooping a traditional litter box every few days in comparison, so this thing is going to save you a lot of time in the long run. Over the past 3 months, I've come to love many things about the Leo's Loo 2. It's a part of my everyday life now. I see it all of the time. The thing that I love the most, though, is the convenience that it offers. It goes beyond just eliminating the need to scoop a litter box every day. I went away last month for 10 days and I didn't have to worry about Nyla at all, except for food and water, of course. While I was away, my parents didn't have to worry about scooping her litter or worry about changing the liner in the drawer. It was really great stuff. Having the Loo 2 around made all of our lives nice and easy. Even from across the country, I was able to see when she used the litter box and clean it via the SmartyPair app. I mentioned this in my first impressions video. The app here is really nice. It's simple, easy to navigate, and it works well. Companion apps like this can sometimes be hit or miss, but SmartyPair hit the nail on the head with this one. 3 months later, I'm extremely happy with this automatic litter box. Without it, I'm not so sure that I would be able to sustain taking care of this adorable little munchkin. She's a rescue who's been hanging out in my backyard for over a year now, and she's been inside the house. She lives in our back porch, so I set up a traditional litter box, and it was a lot of work. There was a lot of scooping and changing out the litter, so it was a big time commitment. The Leo's Loo 2 makes scooping a thing of the past, and it does a really good job of containing all of the odor as well. The Loo 2 isn't only a game changer, it's equally as much a life changer. At the end of the day, the Leo's Loo 2 gets 2 thumbs up from me. It's a self-cleaning litter box that'll make your life easier. Other than emptying the drawer every 7 to 10 days or so, adding some litter to top it off, and cleaning it monthly, there's not much work that you have to do here at all. I was on vacation for 10 days last month, and I didn't have to worry about a thing other than food or water, which my parents took care of, so that's a pretty big deal. If you're in the market for an automatic self-cleaning litter box like this, the Leo's Loo 2 is one of the best that you can get at the moment. If you're interested in picking up a Leo's Loo 2 for your adorable little cat or cats, the link will be in the description box down below. Who knows? Maybe the Loo 2 will be perfect for you. I know that was lame, but hey, you never know. Maybe it could be perfect. Anywho, that's about it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!